If you want to create reusable designs in Figma, learning how to make a component is one of the most useful skills you can have. Components help you save time, stay consistent, and build cleaner design systems, whether you are working on buttons, cards, labels, or entire interface blocks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a component in Figma step by step, and I'll also show you the best way to set it up so it resizes properly later on. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Figma tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to design the element you want to turn into a component. This could be something simple like a button, or something a little more detailed like a card with a shape, text, and icon. Start by creating the design just like you normally would in Figma. For example, you might add a rectangle for the background and place text on top of it. You can also combine other layers if needed, depending on what kind of component you want to build. The important thing here is that your design should already look the way you want before turning it into a component. Once your element is built, the next step is to apply auto layout. This is a very important step because auto layout helps your component resize more naturally when the content changes. To do that, select the layers that make up your element and then press Shift+A on your keyboard. Figma will automatically wrap those layers in auto layout. After that, you can adjust the padding, spacing, and alignment if needed, so everything looks neat and behaves properly. If your component contains text, auto layout is especially helpful because it allows the design to expand or contract based on the content inside it. This makes your component much more flexible and much easier to reuse later. Now that your design is ready and organized with auto layout, you can create the actual component. To do this, right-click on the element, then from the menu, choose Create Component. As soon as you do that, Figma will convert your design into a reusable component. You'll know it worked when the element gets a purple outline and the component icon appears. At this point, your design is no longer just a regular group of layers. It is now a component that you can duplicate and reuse across your file or even in other designs, depending on how your file is set up. This is one of the biggest time-saving features in Figma because instead of rebuilding the same design over and over again, you can use the same component anywhere you need it. And if you ever update the main component later, those changes can flow through to the instances you've already placed in your design. That is why setting it up correctly from the start really matters. So to quickly review, first design your element, then apply auto layout using Shift+A, and finally right-click and select Create Component. That's the complete process for making a component in Figma. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Figma tips, design tutorials, and productivity workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.